To refer to a specific time. When you arrive, when it happens, when it's ready. Call me when you arrive at the station. We'll discuss the details when it happens. Let me know when it's ready to ship. To introduce a conditional clause. When needed, when necessary, when appropriate. Take a break when needed to avoid burnout. She speaks up when necessary during meetings. Apply this rule when appropriate in your projects. To indicate cause and effect. When you try, when you believe, when you act. Success comes when you try your best. You'll see results when you act decisively. To express surprise or contradiction. When actually, when in fact, when instead. I thought he was late, when in fact he arrived early. She seemed upset, when actually she was just tired. To ask a question about time. When does, when will, when can, when does the movie start? When will you visit us next? When can we schedule the meeting? To describe a point in the past. When I was young, when we lived there, when it started, I learned to swim when I was young. Everything changed when it started raining. Common collocations with when. When necessary, when possible, when you're ready, when all else fails. Please bring the documents when you're ready. Try to stay calm when all else fails. We'll meet when possible to discuss the updates.